Yes, I man managed to pull down the tree with an old extension cord. I had to chop it in like 2 places here. No, it's stuck up there. See, as I told you, the tree, part of it was dying. So let's see if we can shake it and get it loose from up there so that we could chop it down at another time. I actually used my Jeep to pull it down. This cord, it popped. See, I chopped it up. Koutla. Anu soukwe pre. Anu soukwe blanche. Anu soukwe blanche là pour see if you can take it out there. Look up there. Let's try to. Oh my God, this is so dangerous. There. Come on, pull it. I want it to fall on the other side. This pierced my chest here. I'm as good as dead. Okay, that's not working. Try to pull it this way. Oh shit. Try to turn it this way. Come on. Finally. Yes, I. J'étais yate. Yeah. That was something else. It was stuck up there. We fini et puis quand we boire. Puis boire. Vous voyez qu'à pourri déjà. Morceau ça appuie. Morceau tête l'appui. Yes, I. Moi fini et puis ça. Moi même content parce qu'il n'est pas tombé à ce barricade c'est mon là fence là. Moi même content. When you could là. Yeah, so I'm happy it didn't fall on the fence. And this is all clear. Now these people can see me more. See my neighbor. My neighbor is gonna see me. I don't like that. It's time to put up a fence. The next step is to chop this up and use it as firewood. Might as well go get myself a pickaxe. Not pickaxe, what is that? A hatchet. We finished that. See, I like this thing. Yes, I. See, man, you should always have one of these if you could find one. You chop some people up with it, but toujours ni un coup là. But you have to be able to know how to use this shit. Because it's a very dangerous tool. Could cut your legs. American wood. Hard as hell. come on. Kinda love using the cutlass and machete. It's a weapon of choice. Mwen me servi kout la. Machette. Hache moun. Non, pas ka hache moun. Ka hache bois. Feuillage. In a moment, I'll show you how to sharpen this thing. Don't forget you have to use it like this. Yes, man. I already told you guys I'm prepared for the apocalypse. Survival. Only thing I need to know is how to hunt. Me say kafan bois. All right, man. That's about it. Old man here. He's getting another breath. Good for my cardio. We'll chop this up. I'll get myself another blade for my chainsaw. Chop this thing up. Use this firewood for the winter. Hopefully the city doesn't discover that they cut down one of the trees. Well, it's my tree, but and like so, it's all chopped up. I'm gonna add some more to this pile that's there. And I was kind of happy I got rid of this pile. Now I gotta add to it. There's a lot of bush in that area here. Okay, that's about it. Let me head to Home Depot, home improvement store. And see if I get some soil. Mwen te kote mwen te fini. Mwen yon se yon ti wakiye san pile. Ti pile. Mwen ti bois. Mwen te tout bois sa. Mwen te kote dene fwa. Mwen te koupé bois. Mwen te kote mwen te tape yon manye pou jete se bois. Men apre zan mwen pou koupe lot pi bois. So that's the progress from last time. Need to get some soil, get our garden bed going. On dit passer aller gagner terre pour finir couche légumes là, couche planter légumes carottes vers chou pomme et puis c'est ça on a dit là. Alright, bravo pour moi. Applaud. Please applaud me. Still see dandelions and all that shit is in there. Alright, one love.